Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished guests, esteemed scholars, and dear colleagues, I know particularly my dear friend, Rector, Professor Osman Bakar, and my distinguished colleague from Georgetown University, Professor John Wall. My deep appreciation for your commitment to strengthening the historical, cultural, and economic ties that unite the nations around the Indian Ocean. The values we celebrate today, inclusivity, diversity, partnership, and cooperation, have long been the foundations of great civilizations. These ideals are central to Malaysia's Madani framework, to the legacy of Admiral Zheng and the enduring connectivity of the Indian Ocean. The Madani vision draws inspiration from the Constitution of Madinah, Shafatul Madinah, one of history's earliest models of pluralistic governance. Established by Prophet Muhammad SAW in the 7th century Madinah, it provided a legal framework for coexistence, justice, and mutual respect among Muslims, Jews, Christians, and others. Madani embraces these same principles, emphasizing compassion, economic cooperation, and justice, and participatory and consulting governance. It looks at all members of the society as having a stake in shaping a just and prosperous future. These values were also exemplified by the great Admiral Zheng, whose voyages in the 15th century made him the foremost connector between China and the Indian Ocean world by way of Southeast Asia. From China to Southeast Asia and India to the Middle East and Africa, Zheng built relationships based on diplomacy, trade, and cooperation, engaging in joint ventures with local rulers and promoting peaceful engagement. That legacy is preserved through the Zheng Forum, which serves as a platform for historical dialogue and international cooperation. The Indian Ocean has conjoined civilization through commerce, knowledge, and shared aspirations. For centuries, traders, scholars, and diplomats crossed its waters, fostering intellectual and economic exchange. Today, we must draw inspiration from this rich past to address modern challenges, from climate change and maritime security to sustainable development and technological advancement. Zheng's diplomacy adopted cooperation over conflict and multilateralism over unilateralism as the Madinah Constitution. We too must forge partnership that advance peace, inclusivity, and collective progress. I'm happy that the International Islamic University of Malaysia maintains a steadfast commitment to promoting dialogue, education, and cross-cultural exchange among the diverse peoples of the Indian Ocean. Institutions like it play an essential role in making a bridge between traditional wisdom and contemporary realities, in strengthening mutual understanding and in encouraging the development of a world rooted in cooperation and dedicated to unity. I urge you to take this opportunity to engage in meaningful discussions and collaboration. The principles of Madani, Zheng's legacy, and Indian Ocean connectivity remind us that our strength lies in partnership, our prosperity in inclusivity, and our future in working together. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.